Hello everyone, welcome to Science News presenting by Dr. K. PREM-PRIMER YouTube channel. Today's news is Bharat Biotech to supply GSK's malaria vaccine to GAVI in 2026. It's published in Hindu newspaper that's on 26/6/2026. Bharat Biotech International will start supplying world's first malaria vaccine RTS.S developed by global biopharma major GSK to Vaccine Alliance GAVI from 2026. The supplies form part of pledges by both companies to GAVI for its next replenishment phase, GAVI 6.0 2026 to 2030. The Hyderabad-based vaccine maker said on Wednesday, announcing it will also progressively reduce price of the vaccine by more than half to less than $5 by 2028. The process improvements, expanded production capacity, cost-effective manufacturing, and minimal profit margins will be factors driving down the price, it said. RTS.S was the first malaria vaccine recommended by the World Health Organization, that's WHO, in 2021. So this is going to be manufactured in Hyderabad based company Bharat Biotech to ensure that larger quantities of vaccine is going to be available, especially for malaria affected continents, Asia as well as the Africa. So we will also look into the gist of the this malaria vaccine. You see, RTS.S is a malaria vaccine. It is also known by its trade name, Mercurix. It is a mosquito. That's what they are saying, Mercurix. RTS.S was developed by British pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline. The name RTS.S comes from the combination of repeat region and T cell epitope from the circumsporozoite protein. The circumsporozoite protein antibodies have repeat and T cell epitope of the parasite along with the hepatitis B surface antigen. RTS.S is a recombinant protein. Recombinant protein means that particular gene is cloned and expressed in the yeast, and the protein is purified. RTS.S is a recombinant protein malaria vaccine that targets the circumsporozoite protein of Plasmodium falciparum. This protein targets the circumsporozoite protein of Plasmodium falciparum expressed by the malaria parasite at the pre-erythrocyte stage. In October 2021, WHO recommended the RTS.S be provided in schedule of 4 doses in childhood from 5 months of age. So this vaccine has to be given in a 4 doses and the age from 5 months of childhood. So this is all about the yesterday news. That's Bharat Biotech is going to manufacture the malaria vaccine. Thank you all for listening, and hope you like this content. If at all you like it, try to motivate me by giving likes, thumbs ups, and sharing, and finally subscribing. Thank you all.